Hey, I'm Joe with Integrity Home Exteriors. Here's what new windows cost in Northwest Ohio. Replacing a handful of windows, the ones that bug you every winter, usually runs $3 to $6 grand installed. Doing the whole house lands between $15,000 to $25,000 and sometimes more. The biggest driver is the most obvious one: how many windows? Now, after the count, 4 things move that number. 1, size and shape. A big picture window or a bay window costs more than a standard opening. 2, so does the style, since a double hung runs less than a casement or a specialty shape. 3, the glass package is a real factor too. Double or triple pane, low E coatings, gas fill between the panes. A better glass package costs you more today, but saves you money for decades. And then there's the install, which decides whether these windows still seal tight 20 years from now. One thing to watch when the quotes come in: if one lands way under everyone else's, there's a reason, and it's usually a builder grade window with a rushed install. That gap shows up a few years later as drafts and fogged glass, and you end up buying the same window twice. Go to integrityhomeexteriors.com/pricing. Our online estimator gets you a realistic range for your window project. If you like what you see, call us for a free inspection and get an exact price. Integrity Home Exteriors. Let's build better.